the fishermen of Kebbi and of various states, I welcome all of you. Congratulations. Well done. Very good show. Remarkable history. Today, this festival has endured for 83 years, and it stands as a powerful symbol of unity, resilience, and peaceful coexistence among our people. It reflects the richness of our culture, the strength of our tradition, and the opportunities that lie in increasing, in harnessing our natural and human resources for national development. Let me first, once again, commend the government and the people of Kebbi State for successfully hosting this year's festival. The organization, security arrangement, and internal outlook of the event demonstrates what is possible when leadership is purposeful and inclusive. Thank you, Mr. Governor of Kebbi State. You are a team leader and you are demonstrating it. There are people, the social cultural event like this can only thrive and become a tourism attraction where the security atmosphere is conducive. I am pleased to note that significant progress has been made in combating insecurity across Kebbi and other parts of our nation. We are still working very hard through coordination and coordinated efforts between the federal government, state government, and security agencies. We have men and women in uniform who are putting their lives on the line to safeguard and protect our sovereignty and keep our peace. The relative peace we are witnessing today in this region is not accidental. It is the result of sustained investment in security, intelligence gathering, and community engagement. I assure you that the fight against insecurity of any kind of banditry and insurgents will be won. Our farmers, including the fishermen, traders, and families, will be able to go about their lives without let or hindrance. This festival in itself is a testament to the return of stability and normalcy. We will continue to support it, encourage it. Are there traditional leaders, particularly the custodians of this festival? There are people who remain at the heart of our national agenda. We are deliberately investing in programs that empower youth, women, and rural communities, and And I listened to the governor, thank you, the empowerment program, the commitment to education, the infrastructure and development that you've embarked on is highly commendable. What you've achieved today is respected by others. The country will continue to bless you and support you. I assure you, the farmers, that we will jointly with the state government continue to give you the necessary support. Kebbi State is noted for its commitment to food security and agrarian cultivation. We will work together to make it a great economic success down the line. I will celebrate today. Let's remember that culture is a unifying force. The Agugu International Fishing Festival brings together people of different backgrounds, nations, and beliefs in the spirit of friendship and healthy competition. It promotes tourism, showcases our heritage, and projects Nigeria in a positive light to the rest of the world. I commend the organizers and I reaffirm my commitment to peace, empowerment, food security, and infrastructure and development of the Federation. I understand closely along Ilela Sokoto Kebbi Road, we have significant amount of dams that we can use for irrigation, empowerment of our farmers, and electricity. I promise you, we will return the load. Thank you very much. May God bless all of you as you return to your various destinations. God be with you. May Allah guide you. Salam alaikum.